Bluey and Bingo were chasing butterflies across the farm when, crash, the gate burst open, mud flying everywhere. A pink pig stormed out, eyes wild, tail spinning like a spring. Bingo yelped, "What is that?" Bluey shouted, "A crazy pig." Could the farm explode with chaos today? The pig charged in circles, knocking over buckets, splashing water, scattering chickens. Coco ducked behind a hay bale, shrieking, "It's out of control." Muffin laughed, rolling in the mud, "This is hilarious." But Bluey growled, "If we don't stop him, the whole farm will be destroyed." Could teamwork calm this madness? The crazy pig squealed loud, leaping into the air, landing on a wheelbarrow, riding it downhill like a racer. Bingo gasped, "He's faster than us." Bluey sprinted, tail wagging hard, "Then we have to be smarter." They grabbed ropes, nets, even a giant sack of apples. Could clever tricks beat raw chaos? The pig spotted the apples, eyes glowing, charging full speed. Snap! The rope trap missed, whosh, the net flew past. The pig spun, dancing like a tornado, knocking the kids flat. Everyone groaned. The pig squealed triumphantly, bouncing away. Bluey panted, "We need one final plan." Could a pig be trickier than a fox? Bandit appeared with a calm voice, "Sometimes chaos needs kindness." Bluey blinked, realizing. She held out one apple, not a trap, just a gift. The pig slowed, sniffed, ears twitching, then carefully nibbled. Bingo whispered, "It's working." The pig sat down, munching happily, eyes soft now. Could crazy turn gentle with care? The farm sighed in relief, chickens settled, hay stopped flying. Coco giggled, "Best pig ever." Muffin shouted, "Let's ride him," and climbed on his back, the pig snorting but not angry. Bluey wagged, he just wanted a friend, not a fight. As the sun set, the pig rolled in the mud peacefully, snoring loud like thunder. Bluey turned to us, smiling big, every wild story hides a lesson. Stick around, hit like, and subscribe so you never miss the next crazy adventure with us.